Sorry, payasing ang PC ka ako. Yeah, I'm from Wolfall Valley, minding my own business and just relaxing. I'm just gonna do a YouTube live broadcast because now I'm not censored under the federal government, so I'm no longer working for the feds. So I'm I have a bit of a yarn with you, and this is with regards to all my fans, my Samoan fans out there who have threatened my life. They said, "Hey, ami kailan mo for forward kang mo fasa I Samoa I yanga o le palo." I say, mate, talking politics is something I do well. I did my university degree in political science, done about 30 years of politics, and a few years in Victoria University of Wellington, studying politics in New Zealand back in the 90s. And I know a thing or two about politics. So I was talking about the Samoan political situation. I was met with a barrage of derision and hatred by a whole heap of Samoans, which is fine. You know, shit happens. One Samoan even threatened to chop my body up into pieces. And I thought, oh shit, that's a bit drastic. But that's not the thing to do. That's not the thing you should encourage people who are engaging in political discourse. And we are engaged in didactic educational purposes. But to be threatened, to be chopped up into pieces, as some Samoans have said, I got into trouble for responding to that from the federal government. They said to me that I was responsible for disparaging remarks, which I thought was a bit unfair. But yeah, so I got the bums rush from the Australian federal government during the census. So shit happens, eh? But it looks as though that I was the national Australian ambassador to the Samoan government. It seems that my impact on the political discourse in Samoa was quite significant to warrant my immediate dismissal, because obviously what I said was influencing the social media platform, because, as it turns out, cleaning my little toy, as it turns out, my social media platform was construed as unacceptable by the Australian federal government, so I was told not to say anything. So, just testing my. There you go. This is my Beretta. So, checking it's clear. Obviously, it's clean. There's nothing in there. It works. Cleaned it. We're ready to rock and roll. All right. So I can. This is my 308, which I use it now and again, which sometimes I could use my shotgun as well. So my 12 gauge is my other toy. But such as life. So, you know, I kind of used to political discourse, and it's quite funny how some people pretty daring, you know, very intimidating and quite scary. You know, I'm not that type of person, you know, that want to talk about politics and intimidate and say that I'm going to do something for people. Now, I don't do that. I'm a hunter. So I hunt for food. And it's legal over here. So we do that. I also do security work. My other job is I do investigations. So I investigate people, investigate interesting characters. So one of these interests of mine is politics, and I study politics. I study not just Samoan politics. I study in all different countries. Now, when I study different countries, I mean I study different political systems in various countries all over the world. And apart from that, I do other jobs, if you get my meaning. So, back to ready. So just to say g'day and just cleaning my guns. You know, I'm at my home relaxing, and in all honesty, about the people who threatened me from the Samoan community, well, you succeeded in having my dismissal from the Australian federal government. So you succeeded. So I didn't say anything for either party because I don't care who the political parties are in Samoa. I don't care. I study politics and I talk about political systems. The Samoan system is pretty bad. So I spoke about the Samoan system. You're all a bunch of, you know, dags, and don't intimidate me because I'm not for intimidation. I don't get intimidated that easily. But I like hunting, you know. I like shooting for food. And Samoans, we were once known as cannibals, so you know what that means, eh? So we shoot pigs now, eh? So we eat pigs now, so we shoot pigs. So pigs and deer, Ayla. So I'm going to go for a hunt soon. So when I'm not involved in anything else, especially not working for the federal government, I go hunting. All right. Have a good day.